I'm like, I look a little small compared to this tire.
A little bit.
Okay, so we're gonna put it in first gear. So remember the rear steer, the thing that you saw the guy doing this with? It's right here.
Oh, so it's...
Yep, so it's right there. So if I'm gonna turn the steering wheel this way to turn sharper, I'm gonna push this button, and then when I push this button on the side, it lets it go straight again. So you ready to go for a little ride?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
It was about this loud, a little bit louder. Whoa!
We'll get a little bit more noise out here.
Yeah, way noise.
So it's just like a car. So that's your brake. You use the same foot for the brake and the gas. So you're not going to put this foot here. You're just going to do this here.
Okay.
Same thing.
This is like a car basically.
Yep, it's exactly like a car. Just bigger. Okay, it's gonna get a little bit noisier, but not bad. Okay, we're gonna go a little faster.
You think Reagan's smiling?
Then we're gonna make this turn right here. See, I'm using the rear steer. Nope, just push the one, and I'll be right here. If you don't want to use the rear steer, then I can control that for you, okay?
Okay.
Then you're going to want to wave at the camera.
Up to you.
We're going to turn that key.
Sitting all the way?
Yep. All right, there you go. Okay, hold your foot on the brake. We're in drive. We're driving a monster truck, buddy. All right, so let your foot off the brake and give it just a little bit of gas and get a feel for how sensitive it is. A little bit. Yeah, you got it. You got it. You're driving. Yeah, buddy. Check it out, bud. You're doing it. A little bit, yeah. There you go. Now let out a little bit. Let's make a turn. There you go. Yep, let's go on the other side. Monster truck, Reagan. Awesome. I love it. We got it all on video. All right, you're in park. You can turn it off if you want. There you go, bud. That was insane. We did it. Cool. Want to bring him a ladder?
Oh, sure. Reagan, you did it, buddy.
That was awesome.
Yeah, I love it. You did a good job. You went around that post over there even.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well done.
Good, buddy. Thank you.